Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can get notified of training content on Snapchat.
Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started.
First of all, open the Snapchat app on your device. Now tap on your profile icon. After that, select the gear option. Now tap on notifications and open the options. After that, you can see the training public content option. Toggle on the button beside it. And that's it.
Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.